The Lexus LX 700H makes a strong first impression with its bold and commanding design. At the front, you get the iconic spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular stance that gives the SUV a true flagship presence on the road. From the side, the chrome accents, large alloy wheels, and high ground stance complete the premium look. Inside, the Lexus LX 700H truly elevates the luxury experience. The cabin is filled with premium leather, elegant wood trims, and high-quality materials everywhere you touch. You get a dual-screen infotainment setup, digital driver display, advanced climate control, and an incredible 25-speaker Mark Levinson audio system. The rear seats are spacious, comfortable, and perfect for long journeys. Overall, the interior feels modern, premium, and very relaxing. If you want a luxurious SUV that offers powerful hybrid performance, premium comfort, and exceptional reliability, the Lexus LX 700H is absolutely worth considering. It's built for those who want both presence and performance. Wrapped in a truly refined driving experience,